Tony here, 456 Chevy Trucks LLC, Kansas City, Kansas. Late summer, early fall, evening cruise. The 65 Chevy K10 short bed fleet side truck. They always seem to run so much better when they're on a full tank of fuel. This one's essentially done. We're going to show it here for the next 4 or 5 weekends. Lots of shows in the Kansas City area. Shows and cruises. So my customer Dan in St. Louis is going to be kind enough to let us show the truck, aka the Red Baron. Some of these local shows before he takes possession of it. Notice the Unity spotlight, pretty cool deal. Reconditioned, cosmetically reconditioned dash cluster.